my drone because I wanted to do like a Temescal Valley video, just kind of highlighting the traffic that's in the area and on the 15. So I took out the drone and I was flying it, waiting for my father-in-law. So I've been flying around and the girls left for school and Tracy was leaving. And I was like, oh, cool, get a little like flyover, like follow them as they leave. Anyways, the cool thing about the drone obviously is the gimbal, but one of the drawbacks of the drone is you can only see in the direction the gimbal is pointed. So if the gimbal is not pointed in your flight path, the direction that you're going, you're not going to see anything that's around. There is obstacle avoidance that's on, but it's not going to see what I crashed into, which happened to be power lines. So I'm going to go down here and see how bad this damage is. So I have a feeling that's what it hit. It hit one of those last wires because it's way over here and the trees. Yeah, I was higher than that. Damn, oh, that thing is mango. Oh. Wow. Really did a number on that one. So that is the first like real crash. That's my first real crash. I crashed into a tree, I don't know, like 6-7 months ago. It wasn't anything crazy. Tossed it to the ground, everything was still good. That was the real crash though. I mean, this is tore up. But I did buy the DJI Refresh, so I'm gonna go see what that process is all about now and kind of walk through that. It's kind of funny, I just got this renewal for the DJI replacement refresh thing to renew my coverage plan. Definitely think I'm gonna renew it now. So there's a couple different things with this DJI Mavic Pro. Like I got the DJI Care Refresh, but I'm kind of confused because there's this new Express thing now too. I don't know what the difference is. I don't even know how to file a claim here. So that's pretty impressive. I crashed the drone on Tuesday morning. It's Saturday afternoon, and I have a drone back, brand new from DJI. Actually, I would have had it yesterday, but we weren't home to accept the UPS delivery. So yeah, there's my feedback on the DJI Care. I use the Express, and that's no questions asked. You send it over the minute they get it, they send you a new drone. Brand new drone, ready to fly.